Ambassador Yojana Patel, India Deputy Permanent Representative at the UN, expressed deep concern over the Pahalgam terrorist attack, describing it as the deadliest attack with the highest number of civilian casualties since the 26/11 Mumbai attacks in 2008. She emphasized that in India, having been a victim of cross-border terrorism for decades, understands the lasting impact of such attacks have on victims, the families and society. Ambassador Patel also conveyed India's appreciation for the global support and solidarity shown by leaders and governments in response to the Pahalgam attack. She highlighted that this support demonstrates the international community's zero tolerance for terrorism. Furthermore, she underscored the significance of the establishment of the Victims of Terrorism Association, what on a crucial step in providing a safe and structured space for victims to be heard and supported. Patel reiterated that initiatives like VOTAN are vital in strengthening the global response to terrorism, ensuring that the victims remain at the heart of the collective efforts.
I would like to begin by thanking the UN Office of Counter-Terrorism for convening this important meeting and to express India's appreciation to Spain and Iraq, the co-chairs of the Group of Friends of Victims of Terrorism, for their leadership in organizing this event. A special thanks to ASG, to DSG and USG involved in this process. Mr. Voronkov, a special thanks to you. India deeply appreciates and values the strong, unequivocal support and solidarity extended by leaders and governments across the world in wake of the recent terrorist attack at Pahalgam, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a testimony to the international community's zero tolerance for terrorism. The Pahalgam terrorist attack represents the largest number of civilian casualties since the horrific 26/11 Mumbai attacks in 2008. Having been a victim of cross-border terrorism for decades, India fully understands the long-lasting impact such acts have on victims, their families, and society. As the UN Security Council in its statement has said, perpetrators, organizers, financiers, and sponsors of reprehensible acts of terrorism must be held accountable and brought to justice. Acts of terrorism are criminal and unjustifiable, regardless of their motivation, wherever, whenever, and by whomever committed. We reiterate that terrorism in all its forms must be condemned unequivocally. The establishment of the Victims of Terrorism Association is a significant step in this regard. It will create a structured, safe space for victims to be heard and supported. India believes that initiatives like VOTAN are essential to strengthening the global response to terrorism, ensuring that victims remain at the center of our collective efforts. I would like to begin by thanking the UN Office of Counter-Terrorism for convening this important meeting and to express